Hello guys, thank you for joining my masterclass today. In today's tutorial, we will talk about fundamental analysis, and in this fundamental analysis, we are going to talk about only five factors that can increase or decrease the price of any crypto asset out there. So if you are joining for the first time, do subscribe, like this video, and share to your friends. Okay, let's go there. Hi guys, thanks for joining me here. This is Ernest Bookers, as I explained before, and I also need to introduce myself again to you. In today's tutorial, I'm just going to go straight to the point, and the point here is we are talking about fundamental factors that can increase or decrease the price of crypto assets. That's the topic, and that's what we are going to focus on today. Now, what are those factors that can increase and decrease the price of crypto assets? Today's video is only based on fundamental analysis. It's been long I do a video about fundamental analysis, and that's why I want you to pay attention to this video. These points I'm going to list here will actually help you not only for trading but also for long-term investment in the crypto sector. Now, first point I have here is what? Demand and supply. Demand and supply is a crucial principle in the financial sector. It is not only in crypto but in financial sector. Demand and supply is a crucial principle. Particularly in crypto investing, this is a straightforward factor to look out for in any coin you are investing in. In economics, we were taught the law of demand and supply. The same law applies in crypto trading and investing. The higher the demand and a lower supply, the higher the price of that crypto. The higher the supply of a crypto, the lower the price of that crypto. It is very simple and is very understandable, and that's why we need to pay attention to all this. For example, if I may give you an example today, let's talk about this coin. Now, this is a particular coin called a DeFi money, known as DeFi Wi-Fi 2. Sometimes I call it Wi-Fi 2, but the name is YF2. Now, this YF2 right here has a total supply of what? 39.3. That is 39,375 cryptos. In circulation, we have 38. Now, you cannot compare the price of this token here with the price of Shiba Inu that has 500 and something billion supply. Let's check about Shiba so that you understand what I'm talking about. No, this is another coin, Shiba Inu, but Shiba Inu here, as you can see, has trillions of supply like here, and see the price 0.00000. You can compare the price of this Shiba Inu to the price of Shiba Inu. You cannot compare the two prices of these tokens. So we all need to pay attention to demand. Now, how to demand? What will happen here? When a coin has a lower supply, there will be a scarcity in the market. When the supply, when all the token has been supplied, there will be scarcity in the market. When there is scarcity in the market, people that are selling will increase the price. The demand will be higher than supply, and when demand is higher than supply, we get increase in the price of that asset. But when there is a higher supply, lower demand, there will be also a lower in the price of that asset. And this is what I want you to understand today. This is what I want you to learn today. Always know the supply and how demand. How do you know demand? When people are talking about a coin, when people are talking about a particular coin, that means that coin has a good demand. And there are some points below this video which I'm going to also show you that these points are going to be the ones that will drive demand. Do that token has this point in it? If this token has this point in it, then there will be a demand drive in that coin. Next thing here is token utility. First and foremost, The utility of a token will affect the price of that asset. It can affect it positively and it can affect it negatively. When a coin does have a good utility, there will nobody that would like to buy the coin. But when a coin has a good utility, some people will like to have the coin in order to perform their daily tasks and daily activities. Now, what do we mean here? The usefulness of a token or a coin also affects the price. In this case, Ethereum is a classic example whose utility and perceived usefulness made the price of the asset to skyrocket since the inception back in 2015. Ethereum is a platform on top which smart contracts and decentralized application dApps are being run. You know that, you know the story. Following the launch of Ethereum, dApps became so popular that the price of Ethereum native assets has been rising ever since then. You know the story, and that's the fact, of what happened in Ethereum. The factors in the lore of the factors ties in the lore of economics. When this is just like now. Two things happened here which I want you to pay attention to. Ethereum has a good utility and increases the demand. Because of the utility of Ethereum, the demand increased. And because the demand has increased, it affected the unit price of Ethereum. And that's what you need to look out for. Now, the negative aspect of this is that when a coin don't have a good utility, it don't have any shit going on there, the coin is going to be just dump and up and dump. Now, before you invest in any coin, make sure that the token has a good utility. Next point, market news or trends. Market news or trends move the market. A common tweet by Elon Musk can move the market, and this is a crucial factor that determines the increase and decrease in the price of an asset. When something happened, and I'm gonna use an example. When Andrew on a team on FTM just gave a news about his exit from the team, the creators, the developers of FTM, which is Phantom Network. When the guy left and made the news that day that the news was spread out there, the price of Phantom decreased so well. Why? Because of the news, the trend. It will drive traffic. Many people will panic, sentiment will rise, people will start selling off if it is a negative news. And if it is a positive news, people will start buying. And when people started buying, demand increase. Demand increase, the price of that asset will increase. Example is Elon Musk with Doge. When Elon Musk tweeted that he's still buying Doge, what will happen? People will hear the news that an influential person like Elon Musk is buying Doge, then we too need to have Doge in our wallet, and people will start buying Doge. As people are buying Doge, demand increase, and demand increase, the unit price of that asset will increase. And this is what I want you to know today, that market news and trends move the price of any asset. If the news is positive one, to the price of that asset will increase. If the news is a negative one, the price of that asset will decrease. And this is what I want you to pay attention to in the crypto market. The next thing here is financial and economic crisis. Just like other investment, the cryptocurrency market is affected by financial crisis. Financial crisis, health concern, social turmoil, every factors of crisis has a strong impact in the crypto price. One thing I want to tell you, there is a positive aspect of it and there is a negative aspect of it. Like as currently we are experiencing financial crisis, we are experiencing inflation every day. As I'm making this video, I know the price of crypto asset has been going down. You can see it here. The price of crypto has been going down. The price of Ethereum has been falling down. Why? because today we are expected to hear the interest rate which is going to be added by US people. And today, if the interest rate has been hiked, maybe they have hiked the interest rate again, and that's why you are seeing this drop in the crypto assets, in the crypto market. And I predict today that this thing is going to happen. Even technically looking at this chart, you will understand that the price also will fall. But fundamentally applied, there is an expectancy of high volatility in the market today. Because of what? Inflation high, interest rate hike. Inflation is sweeping around the whole places. People need to get alerted to know what to do the next, and that's why the price of most of these assets are falling today. So next in here is financial crisis. How do financial crises affect the market positively? I want to give you a short story on what happened in 2008 when the biggest financial crisis happened. When Greece had a biggest financial crisis, the country of Greece had no option than to shut down the whole financial sector. The banks were shut down. For weeks, banks in Greece were shut down in 2008. And in 2009, the inception of Bitcoin come. Bitcoin was created by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. And the people of Greece saw that this is the next way, the next way to keep their money safe from the bank, the next place to keep their money safe from inflation. And what did they do? They started investing. They started investing in crypto. They started pulling out their money from the bank and putting it inside crypto. They started holding crypto. And today, you don't talk about holders, big holders in the crypto market without encountering Greece. There are some of the people there who are big holder in the crypto market. Greece. In 2008, they take the financial steps and started investing in Bitcoin. They started investing the Bitcoin because the banks collapsed. The traditional method of finance dealing of savings collapsed in 2008, and in 2009 they started adopting the new blockchain technology, and which is crypto. This is a positive way when people are now adopting a crypto. When people are dumping the traditional method of saving money, the traditional method of banking, and putting it in the digital method of banking, the price adoption will increase. When adoption of crypto increase, the price of cryptos will also increase as well. Health concerns in terms of when we had COVID-19. When we had COVID-19, that was when crypto had, after COVID-19, crypto had the bullish run ever, starting from $5,000, $8,000 to $30,000 after COVID. Why? What happened? People were locked down, nothing is going on, and people now started no way to go to the bank and withdraw money. People now looking for other alternatives to invest their money, to put their money. People started adopting crypto, and that was why the price of crypto skyrocketed and moved high. Hope you understand. I don't know whether I'm rushing in this seminar, in this video, but I want you to understand something. I want you to learn something today. Next thing that moved the market fundamentally is coin development team. These teams are the mover of a coin. If they want to dump your coin today, they can dump it. If they want the growth of any asset, they can do it. What do you need to do as a trader? Please pay attention and pay attention and pay clear attention if you are listening to me. Do not neglect these people when it comes to trading. Do not neglect these people when it comes to investing. Coin development team, if there is problem happening in development of these people right here planning on how to develop a coin, those people that develop a coin, once they started having issues between each other, know that your investment is not safe anymore. You need to pull out, because they might dump the assets, or different thing will happen. When different thing happens, The people there will look for different alternatives to invest their money. So what do you do as a trader? When pay attention to the coin development team, know what's happening, follow all of them in social media if you get to know each and every one of them. A case example is also Fatom, FTM. When Andre left FTM has never been the same since then. The price of FTM keep dumping, even though we are in dupe season, even though we are in bear season. But without that news, FTM couldn't have gone down as it is today. The news, the disrupt of the team made a bad effect in the price of the FTM. Even though the people who are still there are still trying to be building, they are still building as they could, but you cannot duplicate the fact that FTM is no longer the same as it is before from the inception time. So pay good attention to the team. So as we are here, I want to thank you for watching this video by me. Do well and like my video. Please invite your friends also. If I impacted knowledge on you today, invite your friends to like my video as well. Refer me more of your friends and share my video. Drop a comment in the comment section what you feel about the video. If you don't like the points I listed, if you have more points also, drop a comment there and I will pick any of the comments there and do a giveaway for the person. Just drop the points you know about these fundamental factors that can increase the price of a crypto asset. If you have any point, drop it there. If you had anyone that has the best point apart from my own, I'll dash the person something. Okay, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and invite more people. So again, I say again, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.